let's decorate my creative journal for the week of May 22nd through the 28th. This time I'm using a vertical layout. I switch it up all the time this year and I'm having fun with it. This time I'm using stickers from a small shop, Pleasantly Planned. Her name is Casey and she's one of my patrons, really nice person, and she sent me a bunch of really cute stickers. So look at these little bees. I'm going to be using this sheet today. I'm going to be using this sheet and this one, but we have all these other ones as well. I will link her shop for you. It's super cute stickers, right? Yeah. If you use code, what is the code? Wait, Bumble20, you can get 20% off your total purchase over there. So you can check out her shop. I will link it for you in the description box. Like I said, very cute. She also has, so these are the, wait, I'm looking at what she told me. So these are the large sticker sheets, and then we have the small and the mini. So lots of cute stickers. Like I said, this is called Be Happy, and I'm going to try to be happy this week in my journal. I don't know. We'll see. I also have this washi tape from Arteza and Olive. I feel like this just really went well. My watch band does not go well with this video, and I wish I had changed it before I started, but I forgot. So if you're new here, my creative journal, basically, I just write everywhere all over the place. So I don't really pay too much attention to what boxes are on which days or anything like that. I use a lot of the boxes for different things like, I just realized my cut is really nasty looking. Wait, let me get a Band-Aid. Sorry, real life here on my channel. Hold on. Okay, sorry. I wanted to get a Band-Aid because I looked down and it looked really gross, and I didn't want to subject you to any like a gross finger cuts on my channel, you know? Now we covered it up. We don't have to worry about it. Anyway, I thought I'd put this down. What did I say about the washi tape? It's Arteza and Olive, but you can't get it anymore. It's like my favorite. I'm hoarding it. There's only that much left. But I decided I'd use it because it made sense for this spread, and I thought I'd put some flowers on it. These are on matte white sticker paper, by the way. And also, I'm going to get some smaller flowers too and sort of alternate bigger and smaller on here. There's a piece of dirt or something there. I'm going to try to cover that up. I thought I would just put some flowers along the washi. That makes me sort of happy, right? I think it's cute. Do a smaller one of these, I guess. And then we have the mini ones. Maybe I should use all of the different size flowers. Baby bees. All right. There's a little groovy area for you. And now we are going to put the queen bee on here. Her name is Beatrice. She's queen. She's going to go up here because, of course, right? That makes sense. Isn't she lovely? I'm going to name her right here. Okay, this is her life, her page, her world. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to use these, like I said, but I also have a couple of other things. I have squad goals and this Nordic Brights because there was the yellow in here. I had a hard time finding this blue, but in the Squad Girls sticker book, there are, like this blue I felt was pretty close, you know, the chair. So I thought I'd add Squad Girls in here. Why not? Although they're really small and that bee is really big, so that's scary, but I think we can do it anyway. Let's add this girl with the bike. Put her down here. I don't know why. All right, now like I'm nervous because this looks weird with that big bee. Let me rethink. You know, your planner doesn't always have to be like in perspective or anything, but I just feel like that is a bit much. some coffee though. Coffee on Monday. Yeah, that's the right color. I wanted to find some boxes in this color, but I was having a difficult time. Well, we could add some of this in. I know that's like the color's kind of wrong, but it's close. It has little flowers on it. Maybe. I just got really dizzy all of a sudden. That happened in another video I was filming recently too. So this is a really cute sticker book, this Nordic Brights, and I can't believe I haven't used it yet, but there's so many sticker books to use and so little time, if you know what I mean. This says be present in all things. Be, get it? Be present in all things. And let's put it here with this blue washi sticker. I'll link everything I use in the description box for you. I want to put some of these honeycombs in here because, yeah, of course, we can't have bees without honey. So, do I want to end it there? Maybe. I'm going to cut this down a little so it ends a little better, although I was going to say I don't want the white on it because I like it better without the white, but then it'll be yellow on yellow. I'm just going to trim it a little bit. And then maybe we can add another little bee, like a mini one or something around that. Maybe like the actual mini sheet. Where's that? Yeah, this guy. Oh, we could have this one sleeping on the, oh, that's cute. Let's have this one on here. He's going to be sleeping on the honeycomb. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Okay, we'll make him do that. Aw, he's like, he was starting to eat and then fell asleep, you know? Aw, we have to name him. What are we going to name him? Josh. I'm not going to put it there. I keep doing that, and you guys say they poop out letters. I'm not doing that. Josh. Yeah. He's snoozing. I kind of don't want boxes on this side now. I think that's so cute the way it is. Let's put this rainbow on here. How about the medium-sized one? This one. That's cute. Let's put a yellow box here in the sidebar though. I also pulled out a mild liner so that I could maybe draw some of my own boxes. I might do that. Let's put this down first. Oh, actually, let's white out that behind it a little. Because I was looking for boxes in that blue color and I couldn't find any, so I got a mild liner pen that's that color, and I thought I could draw my own boxes because that's really fun. So that's a little crooked. Is it a little too? Maybe. Let's try again. It's still crooked. Why do I do that to myself? All right, it's good enough. So yeah, I pulled out this mild liner and I thought I could draw some boxes with this one. So let's do that. Okay, we'll put one there. That color is pretty good, right? It's a little bright, but that's okay. One up here, and we're going to decorate these, I think. Okay, that's good for that side. Let's put another yellow box over here, maybe. Maybe just like here. I know that goes down into the bottom, but I write all over the place, so I think that's good. Okay. Now I'm going to take emoji 0.38 and outline these boxes. And then maybe we'll do something special with them. I don't know, but this will make them a little bit cuter to start, you know? I think anyway. Remember, when you're drawing boxes, they don't have to be perfect. I'd rather have them look like a doodle than look perfect, because then it looks like a computer did it, and I'd rather have it look doodly. Sometimes I'll make mistakes on purpose to make them look more doodly, like I'll make them a little crooked and wonky so that they're not just perfect, and I like them like that. I might leave these like that though instead of decorating them more, because the outlines are, I was going to put something in there, but that might make it too busy. They're pretty thin, so I might leave them like that. I think they're really cute though. Let's work on this side. I feel like I want to do this big box on this side. I don't know what this is for, but I'll figure it out. Like gratitude, or I don't know, just thoughts that I might have, you know. And then we can decorate this with, like, how about this flower? And except a bigger one maybe? Or is that too big? Maybe that's too big. Yeah, that's cute. Should I put it up here or in? I'm going to put it in the box. I think that's fun. I know that leaves me with less room to write, but that's okay. I have a lot more room to write on here. Okay, I want to put more of this from the Squad Goals sticker book. And I can add in some of these things in the yellow. Let's find more of that before I forget. Oh, I could even put some like little grassy areas. That's kind of cute. It adds in other colors though. I think maybe that's too much. I should have put this on the top of this box and put the flowers underneath. I could put it here, but that's directly across from there. So I think what I'll do is decorate the top of the box with it instead. Just makes it a little more exciting, right? I think so. Anyway, we have a little bit left we can put somewhere. How about right up here inside this box? Very cute. Okay. Let's draw some boxes over here, but we need more bees too. Since there's a big bee there, that's Beatrice. We need like her husband. I'm not gonna have him sleeping because that's him. I think this is her husband. Now he's a bit smaller than her, but that's okay. You know, you can always go out with shorter guys. It's fine. He's just a little shorter. She obviously rules the house, like she's the boss, you know. But he's a nice guy. He's really sweet. And his name is Arthur. I almost wrote it there. Nope. Arthur. Arthur and Beatrice. They're an old couple, obviously. Or an older couple. I don't know. Are they naming kids Arthur and Beatrice these days? Maybe. Who knows? And that's their grandson, Josh. Well, we're going to need more of this washi tape down here, right? So maybe we put it across 2 days like this. Maybe I should put it right on the line like I did up there. Okay. And of course, there needs to be flowers on there. So let's get this one and this one. Although that's right there, but I kept doing it anyway. I'll put it right on it. Okay. What else? We need another honeycomb. Is that the same size? Yeah. I feel like this honeycomb should be here, you know? But we'll put it up here. I can't even write right on there. I could write like, you know, 7 things I'm grateful for this week, or 7 ways I connected with people this week, or 7 something there. That would be kind of cool. Maybe I will. Or 7 things I like about myself, you know? Let's draw some boxes here. Maybe like a bigger one right here. And one here maybe. Uh-oh, it's almost directly across from that one, but not directly across, which kind of makes me mad, but that's okay. And we will do a smaller one here, I guess. We'll let those dry for a second, and then we'll outline those. Looking very cute. Let's see. I would put the honey pot on here, but it's kind of dark, you know? Actually, let's outline these now. Well, that's a wiggly line there. That got real wiggly. Oh, so did that. That got messed up. That box is just, you know, he's a little broken. It's okay. Oh, I could even outline the honeycombs. That would be kind of cool. Should I? I'm gonna do it. I might regret it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm so glad I did that. Now I'm gonna do the other one. I just sneezed so hard that my eyes started twitching, but my eye's been twitching for like almost a week and a half. And I'm starting to get concerned, like, why is my eye twitching that much? So have you ever had that happen where your eye was twitching for like a long time? Like, I've had it happen before for maybe a couple days, but I've never had it happen for this long. So let me know in the comments. If it happens like longer than another week, I'll call the doctor, but I don't know what they could do about it. You know what I mean? Hopefully it'll just stop. Oh, I kind of like these to do. Those are cute. I don't know. You can't really write in them, but it's like a cute little to-do list. I don't know. I don't know. I guess I don't need that. It's also my journal, so let's look in this book. Like, this yellow color is perfect. Ooh, there's flowers in here. How about this plan on it? I don't usually put lines in my journal, if you're wondering why I'm not putting lines in. I don't like lines in the classic as much as I like them in the big, just because there's less room and it looks more crowded. But I still do it sometimes. I just don't do it every time. I think there's adults fighting upstairs, like in the apartment where the kid is, I think. I hear like adults screaming now. I don't know. I'm going to do jot it down. Yeah, lots of screaming going on up there right now. Maybe Beatrice and Arthur need another grandchild. Let's see. I mean, we don't want Josh to have nobody to play with, so let's look for... Where's those mini ones? We're going to give them a granddaughter, okay? And the only one left that doesn't look the same as these two is this one. So this is their granddaughter, Aubrey. She's going to stand on this box. So we need to cut the white off her feet to make it look so realistic, you know. Yes, that is Aubrey. Casey, I bet you didn't know that that's what your stickers' names are, but now you know. Okay, I think I'm maybe done. For now. When I fill this out, I always put more stickers in and stuff, but for now I think I'm done. This is so cute, don't you think? I love like a 2-color spread. I know there's a little bit of orange in here and stuff like that, but mostly it's a 2-color spread, and I think it's really pretty. So let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to check out Pleasantly Planned, code BUMBLE20. I don't get any affiliate income for that or anything, but I just wanted to support a small shop, so that is what I'm doing. I hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!